How to turn on dark mode on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on TikTok step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you simply have to tap on settings and privacy. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and there you simply have to tap on display. And now here inside the display, you simply have to select dark to turn on the dark mode. And that's it. Now your TikTok app will be in dark mode, which is perfect for night browsing and which will reduce eye strains. And that's it. That's how you can turn on dark mode on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.